This year, MSU-Northern joined 68 schools across the nation who are part of the National Coalition of Certified Centers, or NC3. This select group of talented instructors, technicians, and students are raising the bar for measurement skills and training across the country. As manufacturing specifications have increased, so has the need for technicians who can read and validate those high standards. In 2009, NC3 was established by key industries and educational institutions as a collaborative partnership to address these growing workforce needs. By coming together, these institutions developed, implemented, and sustained industry-recognized certifications that have strong validation and assessment standards. Students with NC3 certifications are in high demand in manufacturing, transportation, energy, and aviation industries. Aaron Riggin, MSU-Northern's NC3 campus administrator, talks about the impact MSU-Northern is making with NC3.
I'm the campus administrator here for NC3 at MSU-Northern. NC3 stands for National Coalition of Certification Centers. They're partnered up with Snap-on, Starrett, Chrysler FCA, Dremel, major companies, and those companies work together with NC3 in order to create these industry-recognized credentials, and they train people like me to go out into industry, go out into the education world, and we train students, we train employees on all of these different certifications that we have. The examples that we have of trainings we give: torque, precision measurement, tools at height. We have Virus Pro scan tool, high-powered scan tool for automotive diagnostics. We just finished training on the new Dremel Idea Builder, which we're going to use in the drafting program for the students to get a handle on manufacturing processes and prototyping process that goes along with that. MSU-Northern has given 177 certifications as of today's date since last October. The industry-recognized credentials that we give here on campus are going to be good for students as they go out into industry. The students learn about what's going on inside of a bolted joint. They learn how to alleviate certain deficiencies of many of the different torque wrenches that are out there. They learn how to train themselves how to use each of these torque wrenches properly.
Before, I thought I knew how to use a torque wrench. Apparently I didn't, and with torque I used to just kind of torque things down and where snug feels tight, and now we've gone through with tension on bolts and how at a certain point they hit a point beyond return where they can't stretch back, and I knew nothing about it. I'm really enjoying it. I love taking it because kind of coming into this program I thought I knew it all, and it really put me back a little bit, and I know there's a lot more to learn, and this NC3 is really helping out.
I feel like it gives me a higher standard of the way that I work, and knowing torque and knowing tension, knowing grades and standards. It really just, I feel like it gives me a lot more tools to use when I'm out in the field.
Torque is something that is definitely not overlooked. It's very, very important in the manufacturing world and in the mechanic world. As a technician, you need to know what the specifications are for the manufacturer. You need to know what those are. You need to know how to read those, but you also need to know how to use the tools properly. If you don't, you're gonna have more rework, you're gonna have customer relation problems. It helps companies create a better product. NC3 is a company that keeps the certifications, and the students can keep using those certifications beyond school. And they will serve the students and employees well beyond MSU-Northern.
Thank you for taking the time to see how MSU-Northern is partnering with industry to make an impact on our future workforce.